everyone, Myra here and welcome to my channel. For today's video, gagawa na naman tayo ng bagong look using the Mars palette by Beauty Glazed. And for my base, ang gagamitin ko for today is BB Cream, which is this one. Yung sikat na ngayon. Nakikita nyo ba? The light! Ayan, yung crayons na BB Cream, and I'm using Fair Lady kasi medyo dark sa akin yung isang shade. So, alam nyo ba, little side note lang, na na-feature ko na tong BB Cream na to way before pa siya feature ng mga beauty vloggers natin. Before pa siya sumikat at before pa siya ni-review ng mga sikat na beauty vloggers. I already featured this in one of my videos. So, if you wanna check it out, I'm also gonna put that link down in the description box para makita nyo yung ginawa ko na video about this one. So, eto actually, so, medyo, ano na siya sa akin, paubos na siya. Sinisimot ko na lang siya. Dahil, I wanted to try something else. So, ayan. Inuubos ko na lang to actually. So, I'm gonna use a brush for this. So, now that I have my base on, maglalagay lang muna ako ng kilay, and I'll be using my EB Advanced Eyebrow Kit. Yan, kilay is done. So, maglalagay lang ako ng concealer, and I'm using Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. Maglalagay lang tayo ng konting concealer. Dahil puyat si ate niya, girl. Okay, to set my under eye area, I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette in the shade Dulce de Leche. And I'm just gonna use this one, okay, to set my under eye area. Para rin ma-brighten up tong area na to dahil nangingitim po ang aking mata. And then, to set the rest of my face, I'm gonna use Nichido Final Powder in the shade Ivory Glow. So, T-zone. Okay, so now that our base is done, we're gonna do the eyeshadow now. And meron akong gustong itry, pero I've never tried it before. First time ko itong gagawin ngayon, so hopefully magawa ko siya the way that I want it to. So, tingnan natin kung magiging fail ba to or success. So, anyway, mag-start na ako with the transition shade. I am going to use this one for my transition shade. I know it's quite bright, pero may gagawin kasi tayo. So, I'm gonna get, and then, hindi na ako nagta-tap off sa labas. Kapag ganito look ko, grabe, diba? Ang ginagawa ko, dito ko siya dinudot-dot para ma-diffuse yung product. Ayan, you see? Parang medyo nabawasan na siya. And then, tsaka ko siya i-apply. So, I'm gonna use this on my crease area as a transition shade. So, very light-handed lang because this is a very pigmented palette. I'm gonna continue and build up this color until I get the intensity that I want. Ayan. So, medyo intense siya, no? Anyway, I'm gonna get a big fluffy brush, and then kukunin ko tong shade na to, which is the lightest shade in this palette. And then same thing, I don't tap anymore, I just tap it in here. So I don't tap it off anymore, I just tap it dito sa takip. Ayan. para ma-diffuse yung product. And then, I am going to go over the edge to help blend the edge out. So, i-blend out lang natin yung edge para hindi siya harsh line. Okay, ito na. This can make or break this look. Gagawa tayo ng cut crease. So, sana maayos yung pagkakagawa ko. Okay. Dun sa fold, magsisimula lang ako ng isang dot. And then, titingin ako sa taas. And then, kung hanggang saan siya, yung line na yun, doon ako magsisimula na mag-create ng arc. So, I already have my cut crease. And then, we'll take it to another level. So, i-extend ko siya dito. Dito, mula sa i-align ko dito sa ilalim ng aking lower lash line. And I'm going to create a line like that. So, parang may wing siya. Let's see how it goes. Kumuha lang ako ng clean na flat brush to help blend that concealer. And then, dahil nagki-crease na itong aking ginawang cut crease, bawasan lang natin yung concealer. Babalikan ko tong shade na to, and then yan yung ilalagay natin sa mobile lid. So, with a flat brush, I am going to put that in my mobile lid. So, tap, tap, tap. So, ito na yung itsura niya. Maglalagay lang ako ng liner and then falsies and mascara. Ayan, bonggang lashes are up. Maglalagay lang ako ng liner sa aking waterline. There you go. Okay, for my contour, again, I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette in the shade Dulce de Leche. I'm also gonna use the same palette for my nose contour. Very light lang. So, naglagay lang ako ng blush. Nagmix ako ng medyo reddish and peachy na shade. And then, I put on a highlighter. Ang ginamit ko is Maybelline Master Chrome. This is Molten Rose Gold. And then for my lips, I used Detail Mousse lipstick in the shade Honey Bronze. This one. So this is our final look. for today's video. Sana nagustuhan nyo itong makeup look na ginawa natin. Achieve naman, diba? Oh. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up kung nag-enjoy ka. And please do consider being part of my family by subscribing to my channel. Also, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. You can also follow me on my other social media accounts. I'm Myra Paneda on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye!
Hey.